How do you tap into that intuition, that wisdom, those gut answers that you're looking for? Here's the quickest way I know how. When you have something that you need to decide on, what I want you to do is I want you to ask yourself, what would the deepest, wisest version of me do here? And I want you to sit quietly. I want you to wait for an answer. Because if you consult the deepest, wisest version of you, that like 100-year-old version of you, that's going to give you the answer that you need, that's rooted in wisdom, that's rooted in knowledge, that's rooted in compassion, that's rooted in love, and not out of fear. And that's going to help you make the best decision possible for you. So always ask yourself, what would the deepest, wisest version of me do?